Every time someone takes a prescribed medication or receives a vaccine, they are placing immense trust in the pharmaceutical industry. That trust is earned through a set of rigorous standards known as Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP. These standards ensure that medicines are safe, effective, and of consistent quality. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration enforces Current Good Manufacturing Practice, or CGMP. The word current is crucial. It means that standards evolve with technology, scientific knowledge, and manufacturing methods. Equipment and systems considered top of the line 20 years ago may no longer meet modern standards. Staying current ensures that quality is integrated into every step of production. It's important to understand that quality cannot rely solely on testing. Millions of tablets may be produced in a single batch, but only a small portion is tested. That's why quality must be built into the manufacturing process from the beginning. This includes well-maintained facilities, calibrated equipment, validated processes, and trained personnel. GMP ensures that medicines are safe and effective even before they reach the patient. Good manufacturing practices can be broken down into 5 fundamental pillars: people, premises, products, procedures, and processes. Each pillar represents a key area of control within pharmaceutical manufacturing. Together, they create a robust system to prevent contamination, errors, and deviations, ensuring consistent product quality. In this guide, we will explore each pillar in detail, explaining its role in maintaining the safety and integrity of medicines. The first pillar is people. Human error is one of the biggest risks in manufacturing, so personnel must be qualified, trained, and accountable. Training is critical. Employees must understand their roles, GMP principles, and the specific procedures for the tasks they perform. Comprehensive training records should be maintained and updated regularly to demonstrate ongoing competency. Clear roles and responsibilities are essential. For example, the production team and the quality control team must have separate duties to prevent conflicts of interest. Personal hygiene rules, including gowning procedures and controlled entry into production areas, protect against contamination. Accountability is a core principle. Each individual must report health issues or deviations that could impact product quality. This culture ensures potential problems are identified and addressed quickly, safeguarding patient safety. The second pillar is premises. This refers to the physical facilities and equipment used in manufacturing. Facilities must be designed and constructed to facilitate proper cleaning, maintenance, and operation. They should prevent pests and contamination, support smooth workflow, and comply with regulatory standards. Support systems, including HVAC, water for injection, and clean steam, must be designed, validated, and maintained to ensure product integrity. Equipment is equally important. All machines must be suitable for their intended use, constructed from non-reactive materials and maintained in excellent condition. Cleaning and preventive maintenance programs are essential to avoid contamination and operational failures. Together, these measures create a controlled environment that protects the product at every stage of manufacturing. The third pillar, products, focuses on the materials and medicines themselves. Quality raw materials must be sourced from approved suppliers and quarantined until tested and formally released. This prevents substandard or contaminated ingredients from entering the production line. In-process controls involve testing materials at critical steps during manufacturing. This ensures that only compliant materials proceed to the next stage. Finished product testing is the final verification. Each batch is tested for identity, strength, purity, and quality before release. No batch leaves the facility without passing these strict checks. Packaging and labeling are also critical. Labels must be accurate, legible, and properly applied. Every label is reconciled to prevent mix-ups and ensure that patients receive the correct product with the correct instructions. Procedures are the fourth pillar. They are the written instructions that guide every manufacturing task. By following procedures exactly as written, organizations ensure consistency and compliance. Two essential types of documentation are standard operating procedures, or SOPs, and batch records. SOPs provide step-by-step instructions for routine tasks such as cleaning equipment, performing lab tests, or operating machines. Batch records, on the other hand, document the complete history of a single batch, including every raw material, process step, and test result. Together, SOPs and batch records create a verifiable record of compliance, proving that each product is manufactured according to GMP standards. Data integrity is critical. All records must be accurate, complete, and retrievable for regulatory review. Maintaining proper documentation protects patients and ensures regulatory compliance. The fifth and final pillar is processes. While procedures define how tasks are performed, processes refer to the validated actions that transform raw materials into finished products. Process validation demonstrates that a method consistently produces a product meeting its specifications. It is documented proof that a process is reliable and reproducible. Quality control, or QC, is an independent process that samples and tests materials and finished products. QC has the authority to approve or reject materials based on test results. Change management ensures that any modifications to facilities, equipment, materials, or processes are evaluated for their impact on product quality. All changes must be documented, justified, and approved by the quality unit before implementation. These processes create a controlled, repeatable path from raw materials to finished products, integrating seamlessly with the other pillars to build quality at every stage. Good manufacturing practices are more than a set of rules. They are a system designed to ensure patient safety. Each of the 5 pillars, people, premises, products, procedures, and processes, works together to prevent errors, contamination, and deviations. Every person in the manufacturing process, from the production operator to the quality lab scientist, plays a vital role in protecting patients. Adhering to GMP is a commitment to building quality into every medicine, ensuring that patients receive products they can trust. By understanding and applying these principles, you contribute directly to the safety, efficacy, and reliability of pharmaceuticals worldwide.